Hello friends, welcome to Trend Tech Guide. Today I'll show you how to create a poll on WhatsApp. So if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. So let's start. First of all, you can see I'm here in my phone. Now I'll tap on WhatsApp. Now to create poll, I'll tap on any message over here. And now on the bottom right, you'll find this link icon. Tap on this and over here you'll find this poll. Tap on this and now you can ask any question over here. Now I'll type my question as have you subscribed to Trend Tech Guide, and now I'll add option as yes or no. So you can see I have created this poll. Now over here is question, have you subscribed to Trend Tech Guide? Options are yes, no, and I'm doing now. After that you can see here is allow multiple answers. If you want to allow this, leave it like this. But if you don't want multiple answers, you can just turn this off by just tapping over here. Now to share this poll, just tap on this send and you can see this poll is created. Now to reply on this poll, just tap over here and now you can see I have subscribed to this Trend Tech Guide. So in this simple way, we can create poll on WhatsApp. So if you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Have a good time.